Hello children, I am your English ma'am speaking. Happy come up with this interesting topic. Let me take you to the next level of grammar in this lesson, From the Heart of a Tree, Part 3. Modals: may, can, cannot, must, must not, should not. We have already seen the functions and how to make the sentence using these modals in the previous session. So today we can see more about these modals. Tip: should can also be used to ask question. For example, should I remove my shoes? Shouldn't we be in class by now? So here is a summary for you children. Complete the mind map by briefly listing the functioning of each modal. Include a suitable example for each. So here we have given the modals. So you have to say the functions and also write the examples. Can, its function, it expresses the ability. Example, I can play chess. So whatever the ability we are expressing, that is known as can. Cannot, it helps to express the inability. Example, I cannot fly. May, its function, to seek permission or to express possibility. Example, my uncle may come to home for lunch. Must, it indicates a necessity or strong advice. Example, we must wear helmet while driving. Should, it indicates duty or responsibility. Example, we should obey traffic rules. So write these answers in your studio book children. Now here are some examples for you to use can and cannot. Using can and cannot, I can speak. I cannot speak. I can drive a car. I cannot drive a car. I can play football. I cannot play football. We can enjoy our class. We cannot enjoy our class. So in this way you also create many sentences children. Next. So here are some example sentence for you to use must and must not. You must stop here. Arjun must answer at least one question. I must do some work. She must not disturb me. Banks must examine all documents. You must stop playing computer games. Sheila must accept your fault. We must not disobey traffic rules. So like this you also create some sentence in your rough note children. Now here are some example sentence how to use should and should not. You should apply for that job. People should eat enough fruits in order to be healthy. We should respect our elders. You should not drink cold water. You should not throw litter onto the street. We should drink plenty of water every day. Then, how to use may in sentence. So here are some example sentence. We can use may to ask questions or to seek permission. May I come to your home? So this is supposed to be a question. May I share your food? Rita may visit her uncle's home tomorrow. This is a possibility. Ravi may complete his home fund this week. May I go out to play? It may not rain today. Karthik may not join dance class. Next, here is the activities. It is already in your companion book. Look at this picture of a garden. You can see a beautiful picture. Think of 4 slogans that can encourage people to keep their surroundings clean. A slogan is a short and catchy phrase or sentence. It usually conveys a message. You already know what is a slogan. It conveys a message to the people. Go green and save the nature. So, explaining this, I wrote some slogan. Nature save us, we too save it. So likewise, you also write certain slogan in that place, children. Next, grammar models. Filling the blanks with suitable models. Use the clues provided. So here are the clues. The question has been asked. In a library, you dash make noise. In a library, you should not make noise. You dash greet people with a smile. You should greet people with a smile. Lydia dash take dance lessons if she wants to become a dancer. Must. There is a trader's strike today, hence all shops must be closed. You dash tease people because they are different. It is wrong to fun of others. You should not tease people. So write this answer in your companion book, children. I think I dash meet my friend as she is unwell. I should meet my friend. Before crossing a road, we dash look both sides. We must look both sides. Dash I come with you to the doctor. Should I come with you to the doctor? I already told you should can be used to ask questions. We dash wear a seat belt while driving. We must wear a seat belt. So it is necessity. So that we are using here must. Dash I wear shoes or slippers to the playground. Should I wear shoes or slippers to the playground? Now here is another activity for you, the exercises. Look at these pictures. Read the sentence describing each picture. Add another sentence to each using must, must not, mustn't, should not, shouldn't suitably. So here is a sentence for you. You can write another sentence, which means you have to write the response for the sentence. Ram has a headache. So he has a problem. So what responses or what advices you can give to him? He should take rest. Second one, Thomas has fever. So what you can advise him? He must go to doctor. Third one, John has a stomach ache. So what shall he do now? Yes, he should not eat junk food. So or you can write whatever. He should drink plenty of water. That is depending upon your creativity. The plants are drying up. So what Jennifer's may do? Jennifer must water the plants. Next, trees are very important. So what we have to do for that? We should not cut trees. So related to that picture you have to create sentences. Keep your surroundings clean. So what the boy is doing here and what you have to advise to the boy? You must throw garbage on the street. You must not throw garbage on the street. So this is the advice you have to give. Next, seventh one, keep your city clean. So what is the children are doing there? So they are planting trees. So how we can say we should plant more trees? Reduce waste that we generate. So see this picture, you have to create the sentence. So what sentence we may create? We must keep our surroundings clean. Now here is another exercise for your children. Here is a picture of library. You can see a library. What rules or guidelines must and should be followed here? So you can see so many things were happening in the library, and you have to create 5 sentences to advise the children or to suggest the children how to behave in the library. So for that you have to use must and should. For example, we should not talk in the library. We must follow the library rules. So like that you have to create 5 sentences, children. So write all the answers in your companion book as well as in your studio book. So try to create at least 5 sentences using the models, children. Thank you. Meet you in the next session.